Alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Here's a look off Mount Bachelor. We still see clouds and we still see that icicle. We had a few cameras across the Cascades that have icicles on them today, but we have not seen any precipitation. That's from stuff that fell last night. Looking at our satellite radar image, you can see that most of what activity we have right now is to our northwest. Just these few clouds moving through with some cooler temperatures and a bit stronger winds. We're looking in that 15 to 20 mile per hour range right now, and that's where we're expected to stay into the evening. Gusts potentially up to 25, backing down just a bit tomorrow back into that 15 mile per hour range. And here is that trough of low pressure that we have been watching. You can see our nice tight wind lines. Instead of this moving to the east, which is usually the direction that they move from the west to the east, we're actually watching our center of low pressure move down into Washington and then down across Oregon, just over central Oregon by Thursday. When this happens, that trough deepens and we're looking at cooler temperatures at least through tomorrow, with a chance for showers and even rain all the way through until Saturday. You'll see this here on our future track. If you notice, not much activity showing except for a few clouds until we get to tomorrow at 10 a.m. Now we have the rain along the Cascades, the east slopes, the west slopes, and through the valley. This does move into central Oregon where you can see the snow. We have this Thursday at 1 o'clock. This is a slight, very short break that we see because that snow starts to fall back again on the Cascades by 6 a.m. And you'll watch with me from here all the way through till Saturday. You see all of that precipitation we're expected. We have that move out, this very quick and brief break right there, but not very long because within the next hour or two, by Saturday at 1 o'clock, we have this next amount of rain. This moves through. We have breaks in different areas, but here we are Saturday at 1 o'clock, still looking at that chance for precipitation. Not anticipating that we're going to see more than an inch or two of snow total accumulation across the Cascades right now with these showers we see through the region. We will take whatever we can get. Temperature-wise, in the 50s to the mid-60s in Warm Springs. Overnight tonight, you'll see here that our temperatures are going to be on the cooler side. We're usually in the upper 30s this time of year, so we're at least 5 degrees cooler than average. Depending on what part of the higher elevations you're in, you could be in the 20s overnight tonight. Tomorrow's daytime temperatures, look at this, from the high 40s to the low, or the high 50s, I should say. And with that, we keep the temperatures on the cool side. We just warm as we start getting closer to Friday. We do not get too warm until we get it to the start of next week, possibly back into